In my today's lecture, I'm going to talk on the changing role of the governors of the state on the backdrop of recent Supreme Court of India's judgment related to role of the Tamil Nadu governor, Mr. R.N. Ravi. For the court observed in its judgment that I'm going to present before you. At one point of time, the Supreme Court of India said, in the constitutional scheme does not make a place for pocket veto or the absolute veto. It means the Supreme Court of India has effectively killed the practice of pocket veto or the absolute veto, by which the governors used to sit on the bill for the indefinite, unjustifiable, inordinate period of time, which was supposed to be the threat of the democratic process. And at another point of time, the Supreme Court of India has also pointed out there is no scope for the word discretion in the Constitution. It was a conscious decision meant to strip the governor of any discretionary powers, and therefore the Supreme Court of India, by invoking the Article 142, through which it gets a inherent powers or the discretionary powers, and by using that, the Supreme Court of India has ordered the 10 bills on which Mr. Ravi was sitting for indefinite period of time deemed to have been given or received assent. And the Supreme Court of India's Honorable Judges J.B. Pardiwala and R. Mahadevan at one point of time invoked the words of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, the architect of India's Constitution. What once upon a time Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar had said, you see, however good a constitution may be, if those who implement it are not good, it proves to be bad. However, a constitution may be, if those who implement it are good, it proves to be good. Thank you.